I don't want my student to sing in Russian. It will darken the voice and pull everything back. I hear this all the time. It's a myth. Some singing teachers and young singers themselves have said exactly this to me. But it comes from a misconception of how darker vowels are actually produced when singing. I prefer to call them deeper vowels. I, U, O. It's not about manipulating or micromanaging the sound. It's about allowing the space to happen and relaxing into it. And that Russian villain comedy pronunciation you might be picturing? Well, that's just that, comedy. Today we are recording the video about Russian language. The same words in Russian. Сегодня мы снимаем видеозапись про русский язык. Russian doesn't pull your voice back. Done right, it simply asks you to relax into more space.